Hey, what's up guys? Here I am at the Daleo Bike Park in Temescal Valley. Just gonna see how it is. Last time I came to this place, I parked like way over there at a residential neighborhood. And somebody told me to park at the parking lot for the park that's like next to this area. So it's been a while since I've done any dirt jumps. I'm excited to get back onto my dirt jumper. Oh, yes. I always love going downhill at open areas like this. Sometimes I forget that I'm on a dirt jumper versus my mountain bike. And here we are, good old pump track. Yeah, as I mentioned, it's been a while, at least a year since I've been on my dirt jumper. Actually, I was just over here like 2 or 3 weeks ago because I wanted to try a trail around here and it was closed. So this time I'm with my dirt jumper. I have to get used to the smaller back end. So let's have some fun. Ooh, it's been a while. Damn it. Manually. Yes, that was better. Oh, good. Ooh. But yeah, this is a very fun pump track right here. If you guys are ever around Corona or Temecula or anywhere around there, I recommend you come to the Daleo Bike Park right here and shred your butt off. Over here we have the intermediate line and then the advanced line over there. And I think this is the beginner line right here, where there's no jumps at all, but it's like a skinny right there and another skinny right there. Before I go to the intermediate one, let me just walk you guys through the beginner part right here. So yeah, skinny right there. Wall right there. Another skinny here. And another skinny right here. And that's it. Felt like I dipped my nose a little bit on the second one. Good thing I bailed out. That third one gets to me, damn. Again. I mean, it really shoots you up like really high. Look at that compared to the first two. It's a learning process for me. Yeah, that was not too bad. At least I got it. It was ugly, but I did it. Finally got it. That was amazing. Yeah.
Then we got like a
amazing. That's all I'm here for. This little progress is along the way. I'm just gonna make it a little more stylish though. Nice, that one was better. I don't know why I was terrified about the last one. I felt like I didn't have enough speed, but I got plenty of speed. This landing is really steep in person. Gotta come here to feel it. Yes, I got it. I'm getting slowly used to this landing. Well, I had a good time. So happy that I got that last jump on the intermediate line here at Daleo Bike Park. And now I'm slowly opening up to using the dirt jump right here. So hopefully I get to do this again. Thanks for watching, you guys, and as always, cheers.